All of you, welcome to the 3ds Max tutorial video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Today we are discussing about the unit setup and graphic setup in 3ds Max. First of all, we can learn about how to set up the unit or unit setup. We have to click the customize tool, then we can see the unit setup. Please click the unit setup. There is a box is opened. There is a system unit setup, display unit scale and lightning unit system. In here we can click the system unit setup to set up the unit of the system. By clicking it is inches, feet, miles, millimeters, centimeter, meters, kilometers, etc. By choosing this unit we can choose the importing file units of the units of importing files by clicking or selecting the units in this system unit setup and click OK. Then there is a display unit scale, which we normally use metric system, and we choose the required unit. Then there is a US standard unit setup, or we can customize the units by clicking this, or generic unit setup is also there. This is all about the unit setup in 3ds Max, and then to save we just click OK. And then we are discussing about the different types of graphic system in 3ds Max. Here we see different types of views: top, bottom, front, back, left, right, etc., orthographic, perspective, etc. Like that we can choose different types of graphics properties by clicking the third bracket. That is, here we can see realistic, here we can see wireframe, because this is wireframe and this is a realistic type view, and just we can see what is happening. We just clicking the realistic, we can see different types of graphic system, that is realistic, shaded, consistent colors, edge faces, hidden line, wireframe, bounding box, etc., etc. And here it is realistic, and we can see the realistic menu. By maximizing the viewport we can see it clearly. This is the realistic menu and realistic graphics. And then we can choose the shaded. The shade is vanished. This is the shaded view, and we can choose consistent colors. It is also just like the realistic view, and by choosing realistic and in addition to realistic we can choose the edge faces. Then we can see the edge faces of the scene file like this. When it is off there is no edges, but when we click on the edges faces we can see the edge faces.